Hello guys, on this video, second sponsor. My second sponsor is a company called Rev Auto. They are a car care company. They have a bunch of car care products. They're really nice, really good, and the products are at a really good price. Their website has everything like in categories for exterior, interior, apparel, accessories, all kind of stuff. So if you want to go to their website, right now it's revautocarcare.com. It's gonna be right here. And use my discount code, which is again my channel, which is that 50 guy all together. All right, and you're gonna get 15% off your purchase, which is nice, really nice. So let's show you what's on the box. I ordered a bunch of different things. All right, this is a very complete kit for the car. All right, first, bunch of sprayers. We have here the Neo Armor. All right, this is something similar to a ceramic coating. It can give you that protection. It's a hydrophobic solution. All right, works on paint, plastic, and glass, so you can spray it all over the car. Next, we have the Neo Glass, which is a window cleaner. All right, this is the Neo Glass, which is a streak-free window solution. Next, we have the Suds. This is a shampoo and wax with cherry infused, so the car is gonna smell really good after. And it has carnauba wax. All right, so you're gonna give it a good clean and smell good. Next, we have the Uber Shine. This is the tire shine. This is a water-based dressing that won't ruin your paint. All right, this is for tires, vinyl, rubber, and plastics. Okay, can't wait to use this one. Next, we have Mint Clean. This is like a degreaser. All right, this is eco-friendly, tough, extra strength, all-purpose cleaner. It breaks down stubborn oil, dirt, grime, and stains. This is gonna be more for the engine. I'm gonna clean that engine real good with that. And last but not least, this is the Magic Wax. Spray on wax. So you know what a wax is, so I don't have to explain too much. It says add shine and gloss, spray on, wipe off. All right, and those are the products that I ordered. Okay, so these are their products. Couple more things. I ordered this little brush. This is to use it with the Mint Clean, and this thing. This thing is supposed to be a badass drying towel. It's a big one. I can't remember the size, but it's really big. Now, for the sponsorship part, they sent me a shirt. This is the shirt. Let me open it. Okay. And this is the shirt. This is the other one I'll be repping at car shows and meets and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the shirt. The sticker. Now, I ordered in oil leak because why not? And for the times that we're living now, here is something that is very useful and required everywhere you go. A mask. Send me a mask with the Rev Auto logo right there. And yeah, this was the part of the sponsorship deal, so you can wrap them on your car and on you. And the products that I can't wait to use on the car, because the car is dirty as hell. Can't wait to use these products. The reviews are really good, 5-star reviews. If you wanna go to their website and get some for you, you can go now. It's revautocardcare.com, and my discount code for a 15% off is that50guy altogether, and you're gonna get that 50% off. So take advantage of it. Try them out if you haven't already. So that's it for this video. In the next one, I'm gonna show you another sponsor, which, let me say, it's a different kind of sponsorship, and you're gonna see why in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, please. Like, subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.